Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're unboxing the winter FabFitFun. I'm so excited. I always look forward to the unboxing of my FabFitFun just because some things I get to pick and choose and then others are just a big surprise. So it's like opening a present that I send to myself. This one is in support of Kindness Factory. In the bottom of the corner it tells you who it's in support of, and this one is the Kindness Factory for winter. I love this. It's so cute. It's very fun and festive. They're just hanging out with their girlfriends, drinking hot cocoa or coffee around the fire. I always have fun when I get my FabFitFun boxes because they always have a little story to tell. So I haven't opened this up yet. Like, I legit just got home from the movies with my husband and it was sitting at my front door. So I am 100% opening it for the first time with you. So when you open it up, on the inside it says FabFitFun, find your cozy. And it's super cute. It continues with the purple and the blues and the whites. And so then on the inside of the box, the first thing you find is the FabFitFun magazine. And this month it has Brooke Burke on the front of it. It says there's an exclusive, the one thing she always makes time for. Then it has 54 words for 2019. Get wisdom from these hashtag lady bosses. Everyone's talking about it. Jade rollers are a beauty must-have. So maybe there's something about a jade roller in here. And then they're celebrating 1 million members. So up in the top right corner. Then in here there is a gift card for HelloFresh. And then this is share the love, redeem this gift card for $10 off your first FabFitFun box. So I didn't say it in the beginning, FabFitFun is $39.99. You get it quarterly. And usually the boxes are $200+ inside. So I always like my FabFitFun boxes because even though I'm only paying $39.99 for this box, I think that I get my money's worth. And it might not be something that I necessarily use, but I'm excited to get it. And then I do try it out and I'm like, I would have missed out. So, all right, so I'm gonna open this up. All right. So the one thing with FabFitFun, like I said, you get to choose a couple of your items. You get to customize it for you. And then there's items that everybody gets. So I'm going to kind of follow along in the FabFitFun magazine because it kind of breaks down what you got and what it is. So the first item in here is the black eye mask plus hyaluronic acid. I'm really excited because I like a good eye mask. I actually did one today because my eyes were really puffy. And I like that they're meant for depuffing and soothing the under eye because depending on what type of schedule or if you're stressed, they're relaxing. And when I'm doing my hair, because it takes forever to straighten it, I'll put on an eye mask. When I'm done, I take them off and then I can do my makeup. So it says on the back of this, late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget those carb-on-carb delights. Can have our peepers looking, well, not so fresh. Leave the evidence of last night behind and pop on our activated charcoal eye mask to depuff, detox, and get back to your shiny, gorgeous self. I mean, I also like charcoal. I do charcoal masks, so I'm really excited to try these. I think this is one of the items that everybody gets in their box. These go for $29 and there's 5 of them in there. So for just under $5, you get an eye mask. I mean, that's not bad. Then the next item in here that everybody gets is the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. I really like Ahava. I have a couple of their hand creams that I think I've gotten in my FabFitFun boxes. But this is Hydration Cream Mask powered by Osmotar. Infuse and nourish thirsty skin with this active hydrating mask. A rich, creamy texture softens and smooths skin, providing intense hydration and comfort. Apply once or twice a week. Rinse after 3 to 5 minutes or leave all night. Approved for sensitive skin, allergy tested, and paraben free. I really like Ahava. They make a great hand moisturizer. I think this is maybe a face mask. I'll have to look. The reason I think that it might be a face mask is it says overnight sleeping mask, or that you should like wash it off. Usually if it's a hand cream, you don't have to wash it off. So I will have to do some research on this. And this goes for $33. It says it's enriched with mineral spring water, shea butter, and vitamin E. This rich creamy mask softens and smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. And it's winter. It's freaking snowing here in Chicago. So I need this right now. The next item in here that everybody gets is the Thrive Cosmetics, and it's cosmetics, not cosmetics. This is a Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick. This is in the color Stella, which is a champagne shimmer. Shine bright with long-lasting champagne shimmer powered by ring light technology to diffuse light and define features. Instilling highlights, brightens, and opens your eyes. So to use, apply to brow, bone, lids, waterline, and corners of eyes. Interesting. I've seen Thrive Cosmetics on a couple different channels. The biggest one, the biggest advocate for Thrive Cosmetics is Kathleen Lights, who I'm a huge fan of. So I'm really excited to try this. I haven't purchased anything from them before, but this is the packaging for it. It's just, it's really pretty. Let's see. Oh, you kind of get that shine. Do you see it? It's kind of reflecting. I'll have to try this out. I'm really excited because, I mean, who doesn't like an instant eye brightener? I mean, I don't have anything underneath my eyebrow right now. I guess I could pop it up there. It is really creamy. I don't know that you necessarily can see it, but I like it. It's a really pretty color. All right, so the next item in here, and it was one of the items that I got to choose, is the Elevate 2 essential oils. There's eucalyptus and sweet orange with fractionated coconut and jojoba oil. So I have an oil diffuser in my bedroom. I keep it on my bedside table. I usually keep lavender in there so that I can sleep, but I like the fact that it's in there. And so these were, but like I said, this was one of the items that I got to choose. The other item that was in there is the Anthropologie X Mercier and Company Sea Whip Body Cream and Coconut Sugar. I don't know why I didn't get it because that sounds amazing. Revive dry skin. This all-natural body cream is enriched with sea whip extract, sea silt, and dead sea salt to protect, nourish, and hydrate the skin. So that item was $24. It's this right here. So these were the two items to choose. This one I got. This one was the other item. The only thing I can think of is I have a lot of lotion. I do. I have a lot of lotion. So I don't know that I necessarily needed one, and we're already getting the Hava hydration cream mask. So maybe I just chose not to get it. I don't remember. I really don't. When I choose these items, I could be half asleep when I pick them. Oh, all right. So the next item in here, oh, I love this. I love this company for their lipsticks. This is the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick in meringue. It's a high impact lipstick in a peachy nude shade. Lipstick is handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear. It goes for $26. So I like Bite Beauty for their packaging. It's such a smooth, like velvety feel. And then, okay, maybe not. This is a nude shade. I don't know that it's necessarily my color nude. I think I'm gonna have to do, I mean, I like Bite Beauty, but I don't know that I necessarily like this color. I might have to do a darker lip liner to the middle of my lip and then put this on just to kind of give it a different color, but Bite Beauty. Right. Next in our box, this was another item that I got to choose. This is a very, like, I think this is their most customizable box to date. So this item that I chose is the Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask, Intense Care for Dry and Damaged Hair. My hair's not necessarily dry, more on the damaged side, just because I blow dry and straighten my hair all the time. Conditions, nourishes, and locks in moisture, fortifies and strengthens strands, protects hair against breakage, dryness, and damage. It's got argan oil in. So the argan oil in our Moroccan Gold Series luxury hair care product is sourced straight from the Atlas Mountains of Morocco, where the healing and anti-aging properties of the oil have long been praised. So it's a pretty big container. So the treatment mask goes for $49. And then the other item, and just because I've got so much winter stuff, I didn't choose it, and I don't like the headbands, but it was the Bear Paw combo set, a headband and pop top glove duo, which retailed for $45. So it was between these two right here. Next item. So we have Pure Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette. I don't think I've actually ever used Pure before, but I like a good eyeshadow palette. So 9-piece limited edition eyeshadow palette that was made with natural eyeshadow lovers in mind. From warm brown tones to shimmery golds, this palette features shades that will complement any eye color or skin tone. All right, so the packaging is really cute. It's white with gold and silver on it. There's a really cute mirror. And then there are 9 eyeshadow colors in here. And they just range from the lightest to the darkest. There are 5 shimmers in here and 4 mattes. I think I can get a lot of good use out of here. It's a pretty good shade range. So the Pure Be Your Selfie palette retails for $36, so not too bad a price. So the other items I had to choose from were the Rich or Poor Rihanna Over the Knee Textured Sock, which retailed for $24, or the Sherry Matthews Acupuncture Jade Stone Roller for $45. And what's crazy is these two were the ones that I wanted, the eyeshadow palette or the Jade Roller. I keep seeing this Jade Roller all over. I keep hearing great things about it, but I really like a good eyeshadow palette. And I like this because I think I can get a lot of good use out of it. The next item in here, you know what? I think this entire box was customized except for the first 3 items. The next item in here is the H. Halston Jewelry Portfolio. Keep your jewelry tangle-free. This large zip-around portfolio has 3 organizational sections, fits rings, bracelets, necklaces, and more, and it retails for $48. So this item I was so stoked for. So I've got some jewelry organizers for when I travel, but the one thing that I really like about this one is that when it comes to the necklace area, it has these little snaps. And then down here, there's another spot so you can put the necklace on here, slide it through, and then it's going to keep them straight so that they're not getting tangled. And then when I'm trying to go put them on in a hurry and out the door, I'm trying to detangle them in a huge knotted mess. Plus there's a like velvety suede on the inside. And then there is also this flap that separates it from this side, which is, there's little holes for your earrings. And then if you want to put your rings up here, it's super cute. Oh, there's also a little pocket with a zipper. I'm excited because we have a trip this winter. I'm meeting my sister in New Orleans, so I'm really excited. I mean, I thought I wasn't going to be using this till after the first of the year, but I'm excited. And it's like it's a goldish color. All right, so like I said, I got to choose that jewelry organizer. The other items in here were the Orbi Gold Lust Dry Shampoo, which retails for $44, and then the Lily Sadui Silver Circle Necklace, which retailed for $49. I don't need more jewelry. It's cute. It's just very simple. I like jewelry that's not so simple. And then the dry shampoo. I've got so much dry shampoo right now. I really needed this organizer, so I'm glad that I got the jewelry organizer. All right, and then the last item in here is the Mark & Graham Color Block Throw, and then you got to choose your color, which was either gray and ivory or natural and ivory. And I think I went with natural and ivory. It's super soft, so this is really cute. You can see the different colors. So I just went with the natural and the ivory. This will be nice because in the room that I shoot my videos in, it gets pretty cold from the rest of the house because it's all the way downstairs. So this will be nice and warm in the winter, and it's definitely getting cold here. So I'm excited. This throw retails for $49. All right, so it says that the total value of the box, and there's different variations, is between $290 and $335. So the box that I just got is actually totaled at $325. And I only paid $39.99 for it. which is really cool. So there's a lot of great items that I got that I can take with me on travel or try and stay warm as much as possible because it's cold. It's freaking cold outside. Well guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing of my winter FabFitFun. If you want to get your own FabFitFun subscription, I'll make sure to put the link down below. And I mean, it's so worth it. I really enjoy what I get each quarter. I'm not going to say each month because it's not a monthly box. It's every quarter. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell icon for notifications of new videos, which come out Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you like this video. And until next time, guys, bye.